How to change username on Spotify or how to change Spotify username. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your username for your Spotify account. Well, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Simply, if you open up Spotify application, now you'll be on this home page, right? Here, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the view profile option. Once you tap on view profile, you'll get an profile image like this, somewhat like this. You want to tap on the edit option there. Once you tap on edit, you can see the name there. You want to tap on it and you'll be able to change name. However, this is just display name. This isn't your username. Well, unfortunately, Spotify doesn't give you any option to change your username. It is set by default when you create the ID, and there is no any option to change your username unlike other social media applications. So I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.